Hey guys, Terry Brighton here again with another small block Mopar stroker on the stand. This one here is for Thomas in Georgetown, Ontario. It's 340, it's a 70 block, board 40 over. This one here has a Scat cast steel crank in it, 4-inch stroke, Eagle SIR rods, and the IC 745 pistons. He supplied the Edelbrock heads. They're the 60179, which originally came with the 60 thou pocket in, but they've been machined to have 45 thou taken out, so there's only a 15 thou pocket in. So with the zero deck and a 27 thou Kinetic, that gives it 42 thou quench, which should work really good on the street. It's got the Edelbrock air gap intake, and the cam he decided to use was a Thumper flat tappet hydraulic. The number on the cam is a 20-602-4. It works good. They sound good. I broke it in, last week or the week before. It's been a couple weeks now. Just decided to make the video today. It's going to the dyno next week. I guess not next week. It's Saturday, November 11th. And he's going to be dynoing it with a brand new 750 Brawler with my Doug's headers on it. And it'll make over the 400 horse mark, and that's what he's really hoping for. It should make good torque too. I'll put in the description what's all done to this engine, just in case you want to do something similar to it. So let's start this thing up for Thomas. Cool out there, that's all. Just above the freezing mark. And there's Thomas's 70 340 stroker. Thanks for watching, guys.